Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to leave a group on Facebook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Are you still part of Facebook groups that haven't seen any engagement in months? Do you want to leave a group that's become a source of negativity to the point that you may considering deactivating your account? Whether you're new to Facebook or have been using the platform for years, it's easy to get lost in the vast sea of groups that on the platforms. So, how if you want to leave some groups on your Facebook? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Facebook. Now, you can tap on the three lines over here or your profile. In this shortcut, you can see there is an option, groups. You can tap on that, tap on groups. You can choose the group that you've joined. You can tap on your groups. Here's all the group that I've joined in. You can choose the group that you want to leave. As example, I will choose this group. Now, you can tap on the group. Now, there is an option here, joined. You can tap on that. You can choose if you want to unfollow the group or you want to leave the group. Because I want to leave, so I will choose leave group. You can tap on that. Do you want to leave this group? Another option is to stay in the group and turn off notification. You can just turn off the notification of if you really want to leave the group. I will choose leave group. So now, if you want to rejoin in this group, you have to tap on join group. Now you've leave from that group. So you will not get any notification or information from that group again. So that is how to leave a group on Facebook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!